This is named Mugga, baby.
What's up, YouTube? It's your boy named Mugga. I'm back with another reaction, but I'm reacting to Get Out. That's the title of the video. And before I forget, comment down below and subscribe to my channel and show me major love. But enough about it. Let's get into the video.
And then, can you show me where somebody put their hands on you? Can you show me where somebody put their hands on you? Treat me like this, whatever, because you was the one that picked me up, nigga. I don't even know you. You never picked me up last night. I'm not your company. I mean stuff, but you can't tell me to do shit.
Can you get out my house, please?
He'll tell me to do that. That's your room over there. This not your fucking house.
This is my house.
So at the end of the day, you are holding me hostage. As soon as I get up out this house or whatever, I'm gonna call the police and tell me to put your hands on me.
Where did I put my hands? Where did I put your hands on you?
So what you doing right now?
Where did I put my hands on you? Where did I put my hands on you at?
Just right now, nigga.
Where? Let me see.
You're holding me hostage and I can't go. So what
you
the
can't
fuck
leave
you
out
want from
here?
me?
You can't leave out here?
What from me?
The
Get
door
away.
is wide open. Can you please get out my house?
I'm not. Get away from me. I'm not.
Serious? Are you
I
serious?
feel so sorry for you.
Are you serious?
As that. You're a sorry ass nigga. And you still don't know nothing about the game, nigga.
Can you please get out my house, please?
It's hell for me, nigga.
Can you please get out my house?
Nothing.
Can you please get out my house?
No, you're holding me hostage and what do you mean? What do you mean? What do you mean? You're holding me hostage.
Serious?
I'm so scared. Get away.
Can you please get out the house, please?
I've been.
What the fuck is wrong with her? Hey, she wound up in this nigga's house? Really? Cause that's what it seemed like. She came over his house and she's fucking tweaking. And he said he gave you a free ride and said go out the fucking door. The door is open. And she said talking like nigga POP. What the fuck is she talking about? But I don't have no idea. But let's go back to the video.
No, you already know what I'm finna do.
Serious? Give me the phone. Give me the phone. Give me the phone. Let me call the police real quick.
And you're holding me hostage. So why are you gonna tell me to leave and you're holding me hostage?
Oh my god.
Now.
She fucking crazy, man. For real, bro. So who put their hands on you?
Fine.
Who put their hands on you?
You did right in front of me. You did right in front of me. You feel me? You did right in front of me.
You just said this man put his hand on you. This nigga ain't. I know this man didn't touch you at all, and you just start frauding. Talking about he put his hands on you, and you know he didn't put his hands on you. He not holding you hostage. He letting you leave, and matter of fact, he don't even know how the fuck you got in the crib. But you climb through the window and trying to lie and say you do a hostage, trying to let this man set this man up to go to jail. That's all females want to do is send up a young black man to jail, man. It's crazy, man. Look at this video. I need the police here. I have somebody in my home. 2209 Ryan Avenue. It's a house. Willie Johnson. This is my house.
I wish you wouldn't touch me.
Oh no, I don't know her. Last night.
The man had put his hands on me right now.
I was recording her because she said that I put my hands on her and some more stuff because I let her say the night last night because it was my son's birthday or whatever. She was company of him, and my brother brought her over. He just met her last night too. Here, Junior, keep recording her. Here, Junior. W-I-L-L-I-E. Keep recording.
So as fuck, nigga.
You just stop.
And thank you.
You tripping.
And you're faggot.
You
And
tripping.
everybody already know, nigga, you're a faggot. You suck dick for a little bitch. And I'ma get the fuck out and watch what the fuck I'ma do. Now I wish you would put your hands on me again and I'ma take that shit. Cause I need it. Since you said I could stay and you already said I could, you feel me? And let me do something real quick, you feel me? Since you want to sit there and be a hater and have a camera on me or whatever, you feel me, whatever. Don't try to sit there and do nothing, you feel me?
Well, don't do that shit on my bed.
So why did you say that I can stay or whatever? Right now, you feel me? I'm very scared because I'm not going to see her whatever. Why did you say I can stay and have a minute today or whatever and then lock?
What the fuck is she talking about? Then talking about calling niggas gay, talking about somebody giving a nigga a hit top and shit, no homo shit, but come on with the bullshit, man. Spare me the bullshit. Like, you sitting here acting like you the fucking victim, and motherfucker, his son, the guy, son said he let you stay over the night because it was his birthday. But now when they tell you to leave, you start spazzing, talking about he put his hands on you and nigga didn't touch you or nothing. and trying to hold you hostage. He said you could leave and you refuse to leave. I don't get what the hell is she talking about. Let's get back to the bill.
Or whatever. You feel me? Why would you do that?
How? My mom is about to be here in 3 hours, and I don't want you here while she's here.
Why would you do that?
Why would I do what?
Exactly.
Exactly what?
Why would you say that I can stay and have it ended today or whatever, you feel me, and lie? Why would you do that?
Well, stuff changes around here.
So do you want me to leave right now?
Oh, that's what we're trying to do.
Do you want me to leave right now? Yes or no?
We're trying to get you out the house. There's the door.
You feel me? What's up?
There's the door.
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 What's up?
There's the door. Nobody's stopping you.
Listen, she's a fucking annoying. Really saying the same shit over and over and over. Damn sense.
You want to believe in yourself that just
Yes,
because you have it in your head and don't nobody else know about it, whatever, you feel me? Everybody in your life or whatever. You feel me?
Is she fucking mental?
I'm good on all that, you feel me?
And then against people who got conditions, but damn. Forcing shit.
The juice comes out.
Do you want me to leave right now?
The door's open.
Yes.
Nobody's open. Yes.
Yes, your
Go.
door is open right now.
The front door's open too.
Do you want me to leave the room right now?
Yeah. Your jacket, your shoes right there.
Exactly, so thank you. I know, and I believe right now, and I see that. So what I have to do right now is get up out the bed or whatever, put my shoes on and leave. Because that's what we do.
Yeah?
Hold on. She's sitting there rolling up a blunt on this nigga's bed, and he just sitting there. This nigga just told you to leave. That's disrespectful, nigga. If I tell you to leave, you go roll your blunt when you need to go.
You feel me?
I don't understand.
Talking about nappy head ass,
But keep coming to people and
fine gold head ass.
what the fuck I want to do. Bitch, you can't.
Here, get up out the room with her so she can do what she do, but just keep the camera on her.
Exactly.
Make sure whatever she does, she don't be held accountable.
Because since I'm scared as hell right now, I'm going to try to see if I can get out this right now because I know what's going on with you, feel me, whatever. And since I see everything what's going on with you, feel me, whatever, I'm going to see what happens. And I'm going to light this blunt. Because it may be my last, you feel me, you never know. But at the end of the day, I'm going to still tell them what happened, you feel me, and the whole truth, and you heard me. Because I'm tired. And I'm tired of being disrespected. You already told me what you told me already, you feel me, and I'm tired of it.
Junior, step out the way. Let her go ahead and do it. They coming right now, so.
I know, so since they coming, there's no reason for me to stand in front of them right now. Exactly, you feel me? So since these are doing, why would you bring me in this situation, you feel me? And you already knew what's going on. I don't want to hear it. We don't like it. Leave us alone, you feel me? What's up? What do you really want? And you still stand there, whatever it is, still send me.
Here, bro. Get out the room.
Hold
I'm a witness to this shit too, though, Kels. You know everything that's going on.
She talking about us. What the fuck you mean, us? What the fuck you got, imaginary friend? Cause ain't nothing against nobody got imaginary friend or nothing, but damn, you saying nigga you like got somebody with you. What the fuck is going on? I just don't know. I don't know what the fuck, what type of shit she on. But, you go to this video, man. Let's take him off.
Coco, come on.
What's up? I mean,
Coco, come on. Get up.
I don't know, you're just tripping.
Don't say nothing else to her, just record her, Junior. Go ahead.
I don't know why you ain't have to roll that, cause it's...
Listen, the smart thing for a female to do, instead of somebody calling the cops on you, fam, just leave. Because if the cops come in and they see you got a blunt in your hand and everything, or you know, in certain places it's not illegal, and if you ain't gonna get up willingly, them niggas they're gonna fucking get rough with you, and I just don't get hurt. Give us this video. motherfucker. Don't be spitting in my motherfucking room. Oh, hell no. Can't live out my room. You won't be spitting in my room. Go the fuck outside and do that shit and go home.
At the end of the day, like I told you earlier, my stuff get to them or whatever, so I really hope my stuff wouldn't
Got took it?
or bother them or whatever, you feel me? So yes, and I'm feeling very threatening and very hostage or whatever, you feel me? And you said that you was gonna, you know, you feel me, whatever, so what's up?
Give me the camera. I already got stuff on that. Let's get on that.
This bitch was crazy, man. I'm sorry. I know this, but I've called her a bitch because she act like one. And it's crazy, like, to say that with one of your sisters, like, black people, certain black females, like, they need to know if your mom coming over the crib, and I know I promised you something, promise always get broken all the time, and you need to, if he say leave, you gotta leave. If you leave or they call the cops and you don't want the cops getting involved, the cops are gonna go rough on you. They're not gonna take their time with you and all that. They're gonna like, come on, they're gonna grip your ass up, put you in an arm bar, anything. But all cops don't do that, but still. I just don't know about her. She's tripping. Comment down. All I can say is comment down below and subscribe to my channel. Show me major love. I'm named Mugga, and I'm out. Peace.